And welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share, meet up. So hello and welcome in today's amazing video, and today we're going to look at how to use can we. Can we in Luganda is tusobola fe. Remember in the previous video we saw how to use can I in Sobolanza, but today we're going to look at how to use can we. Of course, so can we is used to request permission to do something. Once again, can we is used to request permission to do something. So can we, remember tugambye can we tusobola fe because of we. Tusobola fe we. So tusobola fe tugikozesa okusaba okukola ekintu. Olinganga asaba olukusokola ekintu. For example, can we do this and this? Tusobola fe okukola kino na kiri. Another example, can we play? Tusobola fe okuzanya. So that is how we use can we. Tusobola fe. Okay, let's see how we use can we. So when we are to use can we say can we followed by the verb and other sentences. We say can we, you add on the verb. Remember we say a verb is a doing word. For example, come, sit, play. Can we plus the verb followed by other words. So okozesa tusobola fe tugamba tusobola fe nozaako ekikolwa noyongerako ebigambo ebirala. Okugeza tusobola fe okulya. So okulya gye bayita verb mu luzungu. So can we play? Tusobola fe okuzanya. Once again, when we are to use can we nga tunakozesa fe tusobola fe oba tusobola fe tugamba tusobola fe nozaako ekikolwa nosembyayo ebirala. For example, can we play? Tusobola fe okuzanya. So play is the verb oba mu Luganda kuzanya kyekigambo ekiraga ekikolwa kyolimu kukola. Okay, kasooke tulabe ebyokulabirako. Examples. Number one, we have so can we eat please? Can we eat please? So can we followed by the verb which is to eat and please. So can we is tusobola fe nozaako ekikolwa okulya. Kati can we eat please? Tusobola fe nozaako ekikolwa. Tusobola fe okulya bambi. Once again, can we eat please? Can we, verb is eat please. So tusobola fe okulya. Hope we are together. Can we eat please? Tusobola fe okulya. Another example, can we sing? Can we sing? Tusobola fe okuyimba. So sing is the verb and in Luganda sing is okuyimba. Tusobola fe okuyimba. Can we dance? Can we dance? Tusobola fe okuzina. Tusobola fe okuzina. Can we dance? So dance is the verb. Okuzina kyekigambo ekiraga ekikolwa kyoli mu kukola. So can we dance? Tusobola fe okuzina. Another example we have can we come? Can we come? So we refers to a group, so implying that you are many. Can we come? Tusobola fe okujja. Tusobola fe okujja. Can we talk? Can we talk? Tusobola fe okwogera. Can we talk? Tusobola fe okwogera, like you are requesting to talk to someone. Can we talk? Tusobola fe okwogera. So can we have some drinks? Can we have some drinks? Tusobola fe okufuna ku byokunywa. Tusobola fe okufuna ku byokunywa. Okay, let me leave you with this exercise. Ebibuuzo. Okay, number one. So, form sentences using can we. Kola emboozi ng'okozesa tusobola fe. Okay, I'm going to give you these words. Verb number play. So we're going to make sentences using can we and play as the verb. Another one is jump. Jump. Jump in Luganda is okubuka. Play in Luganda is okuzanya. So we're going to form sentences using can we and these verbs. Play and jump. Okay, you can leave your answers in the comment. But okay, that is it. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye.